Hey guys, welcome to my new video. If you work with photos, this tool can save you a lot of time. You can enhance images, remove backgrounds in one click, and convert images to any format easily. I use the image enhancer and background remover to get clean, high quality results fast. And for this, I will use Wondershare UniConverter. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one I want to say there are huge features like in video, audio and image. Also we have AI tools like this, and today we will focus to image enhancer, image background remover and converter. So first let's open image enhancer, and we can drag and drop images here. Let's click add image, choose image 1 and open. And let's talk about AI models: auto enhancer, face enhancer, image upscaler, and also can work with old photo restoration, basic wrapper and advanced. And the last one, image colorization, old photo colorize, and we can use color correction for better results. First I will use auto enhancer AI model. Let's click preview button. Okay, here we go, it's done, and we have two buttons here. You can see difference with split view or with slider. Let's choose slider, and we can see all details is very well, not any blurs, not any noises, and all details is perfect. Let's see this rock detail. Let's zoom to here. Okay, perfect. And this water, very nice, and these mountains, cool, very good. And let's try another image with using face enhancer. Let's click add image button, choose image 2, open. And we can see we have a lot of blurs, noises. And let's go to choose face enhancer. Let's enable. And as you can see, we can use two AI models in sometimes, but for now let's turn off auto enhancer for see face enhancer power and just click preview. And results is perfect. Let's zoom to 4C details. We can see all skin details is very well, colors is good, and hair and all details nice, not any blur, not any noises, perfect quality image. I love it. And now let's work with old photos. Again, let's import new photo and choose image 4 and open. So I was generate this old damaged photo with AI, and now let's go to old photo restoration, and we have two ways, basic and advanced. For better results I have choose advanced repair. Let's enable, then click preview and wait for results. So really I have no words because results is perfect. Let's zoom to 4C details. First we can see colors is better. Next thing, we can see damage has been fixed, and skin colors is very well, and hair colors, background elements. I love it, these results. So we have image with black and white colors, and image colorization will help me. We have two ways, old photo colorize and color corrector. I will use old photo colorize. Let's enable and just click preview button. And here we go, it is done. Let's zoom to 4C details, and perfect results. Really, these building colors, people dress colors, car colors, and these grounds and greens, perfect. I like this feature. So time to image background remover with AI. Let's click here and click add files, choose image 5, open. And we'll have two features, image enhancer and image background remover. I will use only image background remover. Let's open and enable remove background. So it's done and results is clean. Let's zoom to 4C details. Very nice, very perfect. And we have something features here. We can add background colors like this. And also we can add background images. First, custom. We can add custom from our computer, and general we can use these background images, and scenes. If you have product, you can put your product image here for already scenes like this. Let's go to general and choose background image this. Okay, perfect. And also we can see difference with compare button. So in this time, let's use converter. As you can see here, Wondershare UniConverter supporting over 1000 formats. Let's click here and click add files. Choose 5 images, click open. And now we can see image resolution, image format. And now we can choose here converting format. We can convert to PNG, SVG and other image formats. Let's convert to PNG and resolution we can choose some as search. Okay, and second image. And also we can crop images. Let's click crop image like this. Also we have effects. We can change brightness, contrast and saturation, and watermark. We can choose image type or we can write here text. So we can convert single images with this button. Let's click convert and also this. And here is the export folder. Let's click here and we can see exporting files, this image and Photoshop. Let's delete and let me show batch export and import again some images. And we can choose here convert to, let's choose Photoshop layer PSD and some as search and save to, we have folders here and convert all. And here we go, process is very speedily. And now we can see exporting image like in Photoshop file. That's perfect and lifesaver for timing. So I will add all links on the description below. Also you can check official website Wondershare UniConverter for see all features, updates, news about of UniConverter. And thanks for watching my video and have a good days. Good luck.